Hey guys, this is Vicki with Southern Crossroad Creations. This little floral stand right here came from Hobby Lobby for $4.99. Now it does fold down. You'll find it in the floral department, like where your styrofoam is and that kind of things. So what you're going to do with that is you're going to fold it down and you're going to get some poly mesh ribbon, weatherproof, and that's what I'm going to use on mine. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to zip tie where it folds down and folds back up. You do not want it to collapse on you, so you're going to need to zip tie that first. The next step you're going to do is you're going to start zip tying your lights to your wire stand. Now I have found that zip tying close to the light bulb on your strand of lights helps give some stability to keep them from sliding back down your stand. So you're going to go all the way up your stand and then come back down the other side. Now this can be done with obviously the white lights, it could be multicolored lights, and even you wouldn't even have to do the mesh that I'm going to be using on here. Just creating this stand like it is with the lights would be super cute stuck in your yard. And listen, for $4.99, and they do have different sizes, would create a really cute Christmas display. So once you get all of your wires attached to your stand, I did have some extra there, and I kind of had a thought process going. I ended up changing that. I kind of was going to look at turning that into kind of a star at the top, but I ended up wiring those to my stand. So the first step you're going to do is once you get your mesh unrolled, you're going to want to cut it and zip tie it, and then zip tie it again to your stand. That just gives that much more support to that mesh. Now, obviously, I chose white, but you could choose any color for your tree. And I also found that keeping the mesh folded gives you way better coverage, and it gives you a really pretty fullness to your tree. And all I did is just kept turning my base and holding my mesh. And so that way you're not taking the roll of mesh over and over and over it. You're just basically turning your stand. And again, they do have different sizes that you can get at Hobby Lobby. Again, this was $4.99, and you cannot create anything more affordable for your outdoor Christmas decor than this right here. It just came out so super cute. So I zip tied the mesh again and then zip tied it to my stand at the bottom. Now I went ahead and zip tied all of the bases, so all three parts of the stand, I went ahead and zip tied the mesh to it. Now you can go back and wire or zip tie each little layer or every other layer. I chose not to. And you could also stop right there and just do the mesh on your stand. But I always want to give you guys options, and so I went ahead and did some pine cones and some berries, and look how cute this came out, y'all. You plop it down into the ground with the legs of the stand, and it's just so super cute. Thank you guys so much for being on my page. If you like this, please pass it down the road for me, which means like and share, comment if you'd like supplies, and for more, you can visit southerncrossroadcreations.com.